Hi there, my name is Kenmuir. I'm the Scottish General Practice Professional Nurse Leads Group current chair. I also work as the nursing lead for general practice in NHS Greater Glasgow and Clyde. This video has been made in collaboration with Lynn Innes, who's the NES GPN lead, and Joanne Anderson, who's the GPN lead for Ayrshire and Arran. I think we're on take number 102, but here we go. We're a unique group that has a leadership role across nursing discipline that isn't predominantly employed through NHS. General practice nursing sees just under 50% of all consultations in general practice. It's a highly influential workforce when it comes to shaping the health of our population. The work that we're taking forward, we're taking general practice nursing on a journey. Firstly, we're delivering on the GMS contract and the Memorandum of Understanding. And secondly, we're leading the workforce through the Transforming Nursing Roles paper number 6. Some of our main successes: we lobbied the RCN to be more proactive during the GMS contract negotiations to represent the workforce. Scottish Government lead Jenny Wilson at that time played a significant part of that process and raised our GPN profile at that time. We're a collective voice around Transforming Nursing Roles paper and its development, and as a subsequent Scottish Government roadshows, each board rep was involved. It outlined the roles and functions, working closely with NES around GPN education requirements from a territorial board and independent contractor perspective. These 3 areas of work include general practice nursing, around the vocational education programme, around establishing a pipeline for undergraduate nursing places within general practice and newly qualified nurses entering into general practice, along with considering what hybrid models of nursing we can create. We also are involved in the advanced practice element and the healthcare support worker element within general practice. The strategic direction of the group, supporting GPN in its national and local leadership, collectively understanding board-wide transformation programmes and shifting that balance of care and how that impacts on general practice nursing. In and around the new GMS contract, there are various elements such as increased engagement with health and social care partnerships, in and around the primary care improvement plans, working in multidisciplinary teams. What does that mean for general practice nursing? Shifting the workload out of general practice and again releasing that capacity for the workforce. The work that we're developing is increasing that leadership and GPN visibility both locally within boards and nationally. And we need to scope the opportunity and consider what new models of working within general practice could and should look like. Some of the challenges we're facing: complexity, other managed services integrating into general practice and that multidisciplinary working and how that impacts on general practice nursing. Leadership within boards and across general practice is not equitable. Leadership development within general practice isn't valued. Variation in patient care is a consistent and constant concern, as we have no outcome measures or assurance in and around that. And professional governance, we need to work hard with the production of the TNR recommendations. A caution for SEND: retiral rate of general practice nurses is 50% over the next 5 years. The workforce at large is still unknown, awaiting that contract workforce reporting to begin. General practice nurses are reporting feeling undervalued, disempowered, which is affecting morale, and that's concerning since 50% of general practice consultations are undertaken by GPNs. GPNs have a unique relationship about their employment status, which adds complexity, and GPNs cite lack of professional and clinical governance as part of their concerns. Okay, very homespun video, hopefully it'll work. Here's my contact details, so it's kathy.kenmuir@ggc.scot.nhs.uk. Phone number is 0141 211 3632. Thank you.